Mother Earth wants us to listen. That's my husband in the background. And this is what I've been doing this whole time. Dance in nature.